Hey everybody, today on Brett's Brain, we're here with Sam Eater, the CEO and co-founder of Big Wheelbarrow. Sam, what do you got for founders?
Today's hot take is all about managing advisors and mentors. What a lot of people don't realize is advisors are more than just bouncing ideas off of a static wall. You got to put them to work for you. Think about it this way: you have a set of folks that have an interest in your company succeeding, and chances are their consulting hours are worth way more than you can afford. So you have to have a plan to be able to take advantage of that. The way we like to think about our advisors is that they're problem solvers. They help us to either validate a concept that we're working on, give us more information, or put us in touch with people that could give us more information, or three, help us direct, refocus into areas where they think are more productive. Because they're not stuck in the weeds with us every day. They have a value of perspective that helps on all those three tasks. So when someone comes to you and says, "Okay, I want to be an advisor," you automatically think, "Oh, who do they know? What can they do for me?" All that kind of stuff. But once they come on, chances are you just send them emails of your progress report. And maybe you check in once a week and you say, "Hey, great, we just signed this new customer." That's a total waste of time for you and them. So take advantage, come in with a plan for each meeting, have homework assignments that you want them to accomplish, check in with them on progress towards goals that you've assigned. And at the end of the day, make sure that you're both holding each other accountable because if you're not holding up your end or they're not holding up theirs, both people want to know. They want to feel like they're bringing value to the table more than just talking once a week on the phone.
That's awesome. It's great. There's too many times entrepreneurs have an advisory board that does nothing. If you don't put them to work, they're not going to do work for you. Thanks so much, Sam.
Thanks.